Hey, what is guys, my name is Eric and welcome to a really quick CSGO slash movie making tutorial thing. Today I'm going to show you guys how I record my green screens for all my inspect animations of skins and items and knives and whatever else. For this you're basically only going to need a recording software. I use OBS, you can use Fraps or whatever else you want to use, and you're just gonna need a fairly decent internet connection. Because we are going to be using a trade server called Alias Trade, which is a really popular server in the trading community, at least in my opinion, from what I've heard and stuff like that. And the reason we're using that instead of like doing it ourselves, I made a tutorial, I believe, on how to record green screens by using HLAE and like console commands and stuff like that, so you make the whole world a green screen basically. But that's a bit more complicated than what we are going to do now. We're just literally just going to a server in the browser server section. The IP, this one here, will be description down below, so don't worry, you can just churn through that. It is going to download a custom server or a custom map, sorry, for the server that the server uses, but don't worry, that's gonna take only like 5 minutes max if you have a really shitty connection. But yeah, so we're just gonna jump on there. Make sure your recording device or your recording program or software is ready and prepared. Hopefully you know how to set up a keybind to enable the recording and stuff like that yourself. One thing I must know is when you're trying the server, especially if it's full, you're going to hear a lot of people yell on the mic or talk on the mic, because people trade here, they advertise here and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. Also, you're going to want to set your settings to highest if you are going to want to get a nice image quality or recording quality. I'm going to disable net graph. Now at the top left you can still see the FPS counter and the map and stuff like that. That doesn't really bother me too much because we are going to be recording using this green screen here. But it might be a problem for you if you have that enabled too, so you might want to disable that. But basically you enter this, if you can see, I entered the room, where am I? Called mats. It might be different in different trade servers and stuff like that. But yeah, basically if you're on an alias, you just try to find these here screenshots, fairly basic. There's different rooms and stuff like that, so you don't always have to do a green screen. You can go in here and there's like themed rooms and stuff, but I personally just use the green screen. I jump up here, I take out whatever skin I want, let's say this fire serpent, and then I just press record on my like with the keybind, press F to get the inspect animation to start, and once the inspect animation is finished, I press the keybind again to stop recording. Right now I didn't do that because I'm recording with OBS and I will be recording all my green screen stuff with the OBS too, so it will kind of stop this recording well, if I did press the keybind. But yeah, that's basically, it's literally that easy. I know this tutorial is probably not that useful for a lot of you people, but if you did come here and you did find it useful even a little bit, then I hope you guys enjoyed this still. If you did, please click the like button down below as it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions, also questions for the videos or whatever, then leave those in the comment section down below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.